Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to see Street View on Apple Maps. You have to start by open Apple Maps application and then select location. So let's say I wanna check Street View right here. Press and hold at the interesting place. And now we have this icon. At the left side, click at this icon, and we have Street View. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.